In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook cover photo without notifications. So first, let's go to Facebook, and then let's go to our profile, and then let's tap on add cover photo, or it would say change cover photo. So change whichever cover photo you want, tap on next, and then tap on save. Wait for it to be uploaded. And then if you go to your timeline, there is a post there about you changing your cover photo. Tap on the three dots and then tap on turn off notifications for this post. And that way, even if people react to your cover photo, it will not bring up a notification for you. And that is how you change your Facebook cover photo without notifications. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.